Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I'm checking out this inflatable travel seat cushion that I received for event purposes, and I think that it's really nice because you can take it with you anywhere that you need it, and you can adjust the inflation. Okay, you got the proper main unit. As you can see, it has a perfect size. Okay, so to pump it up, you just need to press this square, and it will start pumping out. It has a anti-slip design on this part, which I think that it's perfect, and the cap for taking the air out right here. Okay, I'm gonna close it in. And as you can see, it also comes with a travel bag, which I think that it's perfect. You can adjust it and place it wherever you need it, and when you're done, just have to close it up, place it inside. And once that it's ready, we just have to close it up, and we can take it with you wherever you need it, okay? Which I think that it's really nice, okay? You also have a operation manual with all the information about it, which I think that it's really nice, okay? So, I'm gonna go ahead and test it out. I'm using it right here, but what I think that is nice is you can take it with you on airplane trips, on your car, in these spaces like your office, in your home, and as I've said, you can adjust the air cushion, okay? Which I think that is really nice. As I've said, just have to extend it and start pressing it up, and it will pump up, okay? Just wait. For example, right now, it has air, but not a lot. And I'm gonna test it out in here. Already place it in, and sit. And as I've said, it's quite comfortable, and you can still, being able, if you want a little bit more firm, you can just set it up by pumping it up, which I think that it's really nice. And you can use it, as I've said, in airplane, on car trips, whatever you need it to feel more comfortable where you're sitting, which I think that it's perfect. I also think that it's nice that it comes with the anti-slip side, so that way you don't have to worry, and to taking the air out, you just have to press it like this, and that's it, okay? It's quite easy to take it with you, and it's really versatile. It's perfect for anyone, elder people, office workers, whatever you do. I think that it can be helpful to be a little bit more comfortable while you are sitting at your desk, or if you're gonna on a long trip, which I think that it's nice. And overall, I think that it's great, and I would really recommend it. So you guys.